This next section in the data entry sheet is the manufactured growth information section, and this is broken down into two distinct headings. The first is the estimated renovation cost. Obviously, if there is no renovation in the project, this section can be ignored. This section is just a simple checklist of the areas and rooms that need to be estimated as far as renovation costs are concerned. As in previous sections, these headings or titles can be changed to suit the user, and values can be entered here for anything up to 4 units. When values are entered, they are simply added to give a total renovation cost at the bottom of the section. The program also allows the user to select an alternative way of establishing a budget for renovations, and that is by establishing a budget based on the percentage of the purchase price. Regardless of which option is preferred, it is important to make sure that these values are 0 when there is no renovation in the project. The next section under the manufactured growth heading is for the costs associated with subdivision and strata. Once again, this is just a simple checklist of the sorts of costs on items that you would be confronted with in doing either a subdivision or strata. If the project does not involve any subdivisions or strata titling, then this section can be ignored and all of the values should be set to 0. For convenience, the section is broken down into 3 subsections: local government fees, state government fees, and sundry development costs. The local government fees and state government fees should all be entered excluding GST, and the sundry development costs should all be entered including GST. Some values, such as the open space or council contributions, building permits, insurance levies, and building permit levies and state land taxes, are computed by the program based on the state that has been selected and the valuation of the property that has been input in the property information section. The special items calculated by the program, such as the state land tax, can be overwritten in the same way as described for the land tax calculation in the hold information above. At the bottom of this section, all of these costs are totaled, and as you'll see, renovation costs, construction costs if applicable, contingencies, and interest charges are all added to give a total outgoings for the project. As before, any of the names of the individual cost items can be changed to suit your project, and not all cost items will be applicable all of the time. That completes the manufactured growth section.